am Dr. Dhaval Rasal from Aster Alkeses Clinic. In this segment, we are going to speak about the prostate. What is prostate and what are the prostatic problems? So, prostate is a gland present in every male. It is underneath the bladder, urinary bladder. Its main function is to produce the nourishment to the sperms, and it has almost 80% of component coming from the prostate in the seminal fluid. The gland will start enlarging after the age of 40 in every male, and it will produce some obstruction to the flow of the urine. So patients will start having difficulty to pass urine. After going to the toilet, it will take some time for them to start urination. They will not be able to finish urination in one go. It will be like stop and start. Their flow will go down, reduce the flow intensity. After passing urine, they will feel that they have not completely emptied the bladder. They will need to go again and again to pass urine because the bladder will not get emptied. Initially, this will be in the daytime, but later on it will be throughout the day and night. Slowly, they will also have a problem because they will get infection in the urine, leading to what we call it as an urgency. So once there is a desire to pass urine, they will have to go quickly, rush to the toilet to pass urine. Sometimes they will not be able to control and some urine will leak out before they could reach the toilet. All these symptoms are due to prostate, but patients will feel that they are getting old, their reflexes are going down, so they are feeling it's as a part of their aging, but it is not aging, it is due to enlargement of the prostate, which they should be aware about. Once the patient comes to the doctor, we will examine the patient, we will ask his symptoms, whatever the problem is. We will examine what we call as a digital rectal examination to find out the enlargement. We have to do certain tests so that we will come to know the severity of the obstruction by doing the Uroflow test, in which we will ask the patient to pass the urine in some container which is connected to the computer, so that we will come to know within how much period of time the patient is completing his urination. Another test is ultrasonography, in which we will ask the patient to hold the urine as much as they can. We will examine them, we will find out how much urine is in the bladder, how big is the prostate gland, the volume of the gland. Then we will ask the patient to go and pass urine, and we will check how much urine is left inside. Ideally, it should not be more than 10 ml, but if urine is more, which means the patient's bladder is failing to empty the bladder completely due to some obstruction because of the prostate. And there is another test, PSA, which is a prostate specific antigen, which will distinguish between the cancerous enlargement and the non-cancerous, that is benign enlargement of the prostate. So these are the basic tests which will be done, and the treatment will vary according to the severity of the symptoms, how much patient is affected, how much his life is getting affected. We call it as a bothersome symptoms. That will decide. Certain treatments are available, like medical management with the help of the medicines, and some surgical treatment. Nowadays, with the help of the endoscope, the treatment has become quite easy. With the laser, we will go inside through the urinary passage, and we will excise or remove whatever the obstructing prostate is there within the urinary passage, and it is very safe and easy to do this surgery. So stay fit, stay healthy, and take care of your health. Thank you.